I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to disable biometric login on BigCommerce, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your BigCommerce account. Start by accessing your BigCommerce account using your usual login credentials. This is where it will make the necessary changes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the settings menu, usually found in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Click on account settings to access your account preferences. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security tab. This section contains all the options related to your account's security features, including biometric login. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Within the security settings, locate the biometric login option. Toggle it off to disable the feature. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings. Note, if you don't see the toggle, check if your browser has any saved passwords that might be affecting the settings. Step 5. Log out and test. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. I hope this helps you manage your BigCommerce account more comfortably. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.